How to make him desperate for you. But honestly, is that even healthy or desirable? The truth is, forcing someone's feelings is manipulative and unsustainable. Instead, let's focus on attracting someone who genuinely appreciates you for who you are. So, how do we do that? Well, forget the mind games and playing hard to get. Let's talk about building a genuine connection based on authenticity and shared values. Be your best self. Focus on your own growth and happiness. Invest in your passions, hobbies, and well-being. A confident and fulfilled person is naturally magnetic. Embrace your quirks and individuality. Don't try to be someone you're not. The right person will love you for who you truly are. Practice self-love and acceptance. When you radiate positive energy, it's contagious and attracts others who share your vibe. Communication is key. Be open and honest in your interactions. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences genuinely. Listen actively and show interest in his world. Ask questions, be present, and engage in meaningful conversations. Don't be afraid of vulnerability. Sharing your true self can deepen the connection and build trust. Shared passions and values. Find common ground beyond physical attraction. Do you share similar interests, hobbies, or values? Can you have stimulating conversations about things that matter to you both? Support his goals and dreams. Show genuine interest in his aspirations and celebrate his successes. Maintain a healthy balance between your individual and shared lives. Respect each other's needs for independence and personal growth. Remember, attraction is a two-way street. Don't waste your energy trying to force someone's feelings. Focus on attracting someone who appreciates you for who you are. Playing games and manipulation might work in the short term, but they'll backfire in the long run. Build a relationship based on honesty, respect, and shared values. Be patient and let things unfold naturally. The right person will be drawn to your authentic self, and the connection will grow organically.